Happy Friday. I have a card. I have a, what do you call this? Thank you. So we have egg. Ayan. Aking ano. So yan na guys na orange and the egg. Oh. Ayan. Akin na pa yung ano. Ayan. Dagyan, yung mga damit lagyan nila ng ano. So I have, birthday kasi. For the two girls. Ayan. Oops, sorry. Nagbili kami ng okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, please. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, yan guys, naka 102 na naman tayo. Kasi may mga damit. Ayan. Magluto kami ng lutuin natin pa. Shakoy. Shakoy ha. Yes, this is nice grocery store. Ooh, windy, windy. The wind, the wind, the wind. It's very windy. Yan, sa malaking shopping area to guys. Oh, there you are. Ooh, but windy. Very windy. So yan. Kaya pa? So, ayun. Analiliteros, kumusta na ikaw dyan? May mag-birthday kasi. Very close sa amin. Kaya, yan. Tapos, yun na naman. Ayan. So, ayan, mag-live lang tayo dito guys. Actually dito, hindi sila nag-observe talaga ng, hindi talaga sila nag-observe dito ng ng Holy Week. At 3 PM later, mag-close na, pero itong shopping center, yung grocery store na ito na malaki, yung Tesco. Ayan, napakita ko sa inyo yung Tesco ha. That's Tesco, yan. So, hindi sila masyadong